welcome back to my channel. Just in case you're new here, my name is Karina and this channel is all about Canada, living in Canada, immigrating to Canada, basically everything Canada. And today we're at the Myra Canyon kettles and are going to check out some of the Trestles. And honestly, after already the drive up here for 5 kilometers, just like an unfinished road, as you can see, we're in the middle of green nothing. It was already quite an adventure, but now we just put some sunscreen on and heading out. So we are right now at the Ruth station right here, and then we can walk across here. We'll probably tackle the 2 Trestles, the first ones, and then if we would want to, like even on a bicycle or something, we could go all the way around here. But we just realized we probably could have gone also up here, which would have been a nicer road to get to, and then get down here this way, as there are even a couple of tunnels. So I guess we just have to tackle it the next time. Just got to Trestle number 1 and the view is already pretty amazing. A little bit scary because you kind of don't want to drop anything down there, but it's pretty cool. So yeah, just off the trail there was this little sign that there is a stone rock oven, and it's really very cool. They had the explanation that Europeans and from Scandinavia, and I think the Tuscany or something, were working originally in this area here, and that's where the first concept of the stone oven apparently got here. So yeah, it's pretty cool that it still is kind of intact and you can still see where the opening is and everything. Just sometimes get a peek through the trees and have a fantastic view just right this area here. And it's crazy how you still can see some of the burned trees from the wildfire 2003. So it's pretty interesting to see how long it takes nature to recover. It is scary and almost a little bit beautiful, which is weird to say, but definitely worth checking out. Just standing there for a quick second and enjoying the view. Like you can see where like there is one trestle as well, and through the tunnel another one just keeps going. So yeah, we definitely start from the wrong end. that's what you get when you have a husband who just likes to mock you a little. I was just setting up my camera on the floor. Don't look around, don't be bothered by anything. And what does he do? He pours water over my head. Thank God it's at least super hot. It was nice and refreshing, but like, come on.
Thank you.
No worries. There you can just see a couple of little remains, I guess, from the Roo station that was here initially. It was just a station from the Kettle Valley Railway. Just see up here for a quick second. So yeah, that's just like a little of their foundation that's still remaining. It's pretty cool. And that just seems like a shaft or something, eh? Here we go. And we are on our way back. It was now about 1.5 hours, like 5 kilometers-ish, to the second trestle. It is a very nice and easy walk. There is really no altitude whatsoever. You're mainly in the shade, however, keep in mind that you are a little bit up higher than Kelowna, so it's a few degrees cooler up here. However, just for a walk, it's just perfect. And now we're just trying to get back there on this road. Overall, very pretty, but if we would have known that it would be better to start on the other end, we would have. So the next time we're definitely going to start from the other point. Oh my goodness, it's a pretty nice walk. But yeah, the next time we're going to check out the other side, and we'll of course take you along with it as well. Oh my gosh, sorry for all the shakiness. So yeah, that's all for today. So if you didn't do it yet, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification next to it, and then also smash the like button for me, and we will see each other next time. Cheers.